What's happening, guys? Out here with the Infraction. We got the mod 1 gear conversion done to it. It's running 34 on the spur, 25 on the pinion. Have the center drive shaft bearing support, the 4S motor and the 4S speed controller. Still running the stock Mega tires on it for now. Hopefully they'll survive this pass. But anyway, guys, we're gonna send it down, see how fast it goes with these gears. 0. Tracking. Okay. Alright guys, let me turn the steering down a little bit. Here she comes. Well, those tires are kind of grippy. I kind of like them. Yeah, that was only 51. So, not sure what's going on with that, but let's send it back down. I have a sneaky suspicion that I put the wrong battery in it. And it may not be charged all the way. Anyway, we're gonna try one more time. She was doing good. Try it down again. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got. What do we got here? 66, guys. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna switch this battery out just for the heck of it. By the way, 4th time I've used the car and that's already broke. Looks like I got this thing plugged in upside down. Motor fan's not working. I did bring this one because I thought I might have grabbed the wrong one. So we'll see. If that's what it was, then we ought to get a little bit more speed out of this run. Gosh, she's running really straight. It's actually a surprise that it handles as good as it does. The Typhon is a handful, to say the least. Okay, we're gonna give it one more shot, guys. See if we can get it faster. Zero. Tracking. Okay. Turn the steering down again, guys. And here we go. I think she's shut down on me as far as being hot already. $68, guys. That's respectable. Not too bad. 68 miles an hour. Okay, guys, we're gonna call it a night, I think. I made a whole bunch of runs with these two cars tonight. But guys, I appreciate you hanging out to watch. Hopefully between this video and the one before it where I put the gears in, we learned something together. Looks like it didn't get too hot, but it acted like it was an LBC, so I don't have my voltage checker to check the batteries, but that's it, guys. Tires held up surprisingly well, and they really grippy, so I'm gonna hang on to these tires before I switch out to any of the Hooms or the 11s and see how far I can push them. And anyway, guys, again, check the links. I'll have everything that I've put into these things in the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and y'all have an awesome night.